Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. It's your star mom here as always, and on today's video I'm going to be telling you guys everything you need to know about Extract Whitening soap. Okay,
brother, it's caught in the crossfire.
welcome back to my channel, and I hope you subscribed. Thank you for doing that. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, wow, you're so much welcome. Okay, but if you are a returning subscriber, wow, my love for you so much. You may know what to do already. Just usher the first timer to the front seat and make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So heading down to the business of today, Extract Whitening Herbal Soap with Papaya Calamansi is a skin maintenance soap or herbal soap that will even out your skin and make it glow radiantly. Okay, it gives you a uniform and beautiful complexion. This soap has a very long lasting natural fragrance, okay, that helps to remove dirt, impurities, rashes, excess oil from the skin. It also helps to clear pimples and lighten up stubborn dark spots from your skin quickly. Okay, it is the bomb when it has to do with anything skin problems like acne, discolorations, even dark spots, blackheads, and even dark under eye. Okay, now note that this extract soap is not a lightening soap at all. It doesn't lighten you. All it does is to maintain your complexion. Like for instance, if you have already gotten your skin to the tone that you want, you can easily use this extract soap to maintain that tone, that skin, that complexion that you've already attained. You understand? So it is not for skin lightening as it is written on the pack. Not at all. It is only to maintain your skin. Like after you've lightened up your skin to the tone that you want, then you can now easily use extra soap to maintain that complexion for yourself. Okay, so using extract soap gives your body that uniform complexion that you want, and it refreshes your skin and give you that flawless look that you want. Okay, and this extract soap has natural ingredients that is suitable for all skin types. Honestly, this extra soap, I don't know why some people complain that it is not good for them, but it's very, very good. Like I said, it is for all skin type, and definitely your skin will surely thank you for using extra soap. Okay, because as I said earlier, it has to do with natural ingredients. I'm going to list out the ingredients later on, okay, for you to know, and it will give you that as in that uniform look that your body needs, if only you can get the original one. All right, like I said earlier, it does not lighten the skin, so it can be used for all skin type, even if you are dark, you're light, you chocolate, you white. It is for all skin type because it does not lighten the skin, it only maintains the complexion that you like or that you need for your skin. Okay, and again, when you combine Extract Whitening Herbal Soap with SPF 10, okay, it is a very good combination because together they are going to keep your skin flawless and beautiful in a very short period of time. And in case you're wondering if Extract Whitening Herbal Soap has a side effect, no, it doesn't have any side effect. And I'm going to tell you now the benefits of extract soap to your skin. Number one, it softens the skin. Okay, it also exfoliates your skin, and it as well helps to brighten up your skin. I did not say lighten, brighten up your skin. Okay, it also smoothens the skin and it unifies the skin tone. And you also need to understand that this extract whitening herbal soap is made in 2 different countries. Okay, it is made in the Philippines, and it's also made in Nigeria here. Okay, now most people don't know how to differentiate them. They don't know which one is made in Nigeria or made in Philippines. Okay, and that is why they are like confused about which one is the original one. Okay, now listen very good. To know the original one of this cream, both are okay. Most people have been using the one they call the fake one, thinking it's the best, but like I said, both are okay. But when they call the other one fake, is because it is the imitation of a brand. Okay, the main company, the main country that has or that first produced this extract whitening soap is the Philippines. Okay, they made it, then the Nigerians now imitated the brand. That is why they call it fake, but it's not fake. It's just that the differences is clear, because some of the ingredients that are used in making this soap in Philippines are not found in the ones they use in making it in Nigeria. All right, and the Nigerian one, they wrote, it is inscripted with they wrote an Arabic language on it. Okay, while the Philippine one is all through English language. Okay, that is why they call it fake. They call Nigeria one fake. That the one you see written in Arabic is fake, while the one you see written in English is original. The truth is that both are okay, as different people uses the one written in Arabic and it's good for their skin. Okay, and another person also used the one written in English language that's made in Philippines, and it's also good for the skin, for their skin. Sorry. Okay, so the only thing there is that the one made in Nigeria is not as effective, I will use that word, as the one in Philippines, because some of the ingredients that are used while making it in Philippines are not found in the ones we made in Nigeria here. But as long as the one made in Nigeria that is written in Arabic is good for your body, I will advise you keep on using it. It's good for you. Okay, then the one made in Philippines, if it's also good for you, you use it. There's no fake one, there's no original one. It's just that the extracts are made in two different countries, and to differentiate them is one, the one made in Philippines has more ingredients more than the one made in Nigeria. The one made in Philippines is written in English throughout, while you will see an Arabic write-up on the pack of the one made in Nigeria. Okay, I'm going to type out the ingredients used in making those extracts. So the ingredients that are used in making those extracts in Philippines are: so haven't seen all the ingredients. If you check it, you will know that, okay, this is okay. The Philippines has more ingredients than the Nigerian made. So you know the one to go for, all right? So stop saying the Nigerian made is fake, the original one is the Philippine one. No, both are okay. Just that the Nigerian made is the imitation of the brand, of the main brand, which is the one that is produced in Philippines, all right? I'm going to show you guys some questions and answers. Okay, I do get random questions about this extract soap. All right, I'm going to show you guys the questions and also the answers, and if you have any other questions that are not listed or that are not answered in this my video, all right, do me a favor, do yourself a favor, do us a favor by freely typing your questions down in the comment section, okay, so that I can read them and answer your questions. Okay, thank you so much, and I want to appreciate you for coming by this channel once again. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on that notification bell. You will see it beside the subscribe button. Okay, so turn it on to that option that says all notifications, so that you get notified anytime I drop a video. Okay, do not also forget to give this video a thumbs up, all right, and drop a comment down below. Like I said earlier, thank you once again, and Star Mom loves you now and always. Okay, see you next time on this same channel. I can fully check out my channel to see other videos about skincare, about creams, and so on. All right, love you guys and take care. Bye.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend, for it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they